Customizing marketing materials across global partner networks is slow, complex, and inconsistent. Admins struggle to manage assets, partners lose valuable time editing and recreating collateral. ZINFI's co-branded assets management streamlines the entire process, allowing admins to create, publish, and govern branded materials, while partners instantly co-brand and share approved content with just a few clicks. Admins upload marketing collateral in PDF format and set publish and expiration dates to control visibility across regions. Admins assign assets to specific partner tiers or regions and monitor usage through real-time reports. Partners access a clean, organized asset library where they can filter, preview, and select materials assigned by their OEM. With ZINFI's dynamic co-branding interface, partners can add logos, URLs, and insignias instantly with real-time preview and OEM-approved layouts. Once approved, partners can download their co-branded assets or share via auto-generated public links. Integrated analytics give both admins and partners a 360-degree view of asset performance, downloads, approvals, and co-branding activity across regions and time. ZINFI's co-branded assets management brings brands and partners together, ensuring faster go-to-market, consistent branding, and data-driven decisions, centralize creation, simplify customization, and measure impact in one place.